Hey guys, it's Tech Infusion. In this video I'm going to teach you how to download music from Spotify into your iTunes music library for free. And this works on the Mac operating system as well as the Windows operating system. So let's go ahead and get started by launching our web browser. Now the first thing we're going to need to install is Spotify. So let's go ahead and go to spotify.com. And over on the right here we have a download button, and we're just going to click on that, and then we can sign in with Facebook, or we can sign up with our email address and all this information, and then we will get the download file. Once you're done downloading that, then we can proceed to the next step. So the next thing that we need to download is iTunes if you are a Windows user. Of course you know that iTunes doesn't come automatically on Windows operating system, but it does on the Mac. So what we're going to need to do if you are a Windows user is come to apple.com, come up to iTunes, again on the right, hit download iTunes, uncheck both of these boxes unless you would like newsletters and updates from Apple, enter your email address and hit download now. I don't need to do that because I already have it downloaded and I'm running Mac operating system. Now the next and last piece of software we need to download is something called SpottyDL. Now this should be the first link that you come into, techspot.com, and let's go ahead and get our downloaded starting. So Mac operating system, we can choose which operating system we want, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and I understand, and I'll click this again. And now our download should start automatically. If it doesn't, then I can actually hit click here, and I actually might do that. Okay, so it looks like it's working. I'm actually going to cancel out of what I just clicked. Let's go ahead and keep down here. I'm going to fast forward through this download process, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so it looks like our download is actually finished now, so let's go ahead and launch it. And it looks like we have that familiar issue with privacy, and I'm actually going to bypass that right now by going to our downloads folder, right clicking on it, and hitting open. Now we can hit open right there, and now we are installing SpottyDL. So let's go ahead and go through the installer. I'm going to go ahead and type my password here. Okay, so the installation was successful. Okay, so now that our software is installed, let's go ahead and open up Spotify and SpottyDL. So basically, what you want to do is add the music you want to download into a playlist. I found that that's works the best. So let's go ahead and just find, I don't know, like top song. Let's just pick a random one. This one will work just fine. Let's go ahead and add to a playlist. Now, right here we have this playlist called Come Home, and let's go ahead and right click on that title and hit copy Spotify URI. Come over to our SpottyDL window and hit import playlist, paste it into there, and start the download by hitting this download button right here. So I'm not exactly sure how long this is going to take, but let's go ahead and just let it go and let it run, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that it is downloaded, we actually have this song downloaded and we can actually play it, but I'll just play a little snippet of it so I don't get copyright strike on this video, but we do have it downloaded. So yeah, I'm not going to play most of it. Okay, so that's enough for you to know we have it downloaded. Let's go ahead and close out of Spotify, open up Finder, or actually we can probably go into iTunes at this point. There's two different methods of importing into an iTunes library, as some of you maybe know, but let's go ahead and just do it this way. We can come up to File in iTunes, Add to Library, and in our music directory right here, here we have the song with the album art and everything. This is completely different than downloading from YouTube, because YouTube you gotta add your own information about it, but when you download from Spotify, it goes directly, it gives you all the information about it and the album art and everything. So now we have it in our iTunes library, and I can go ahead and play it. and that's all I'm going to play on it, and I'll fast forward and show you it's doing the whole thing. Okay, so that's basically how you download songs from Spotify into your iTunes library. And basically, yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, leave those down in the comment section below. Go check out my Twitter page and go leave a like on my Facebook page. And don't forget to comment and subscribe and like this video. And I also wanted to notice or take your attention to my new fundraiser that I'm actually having. It's at patreon.com. I'll leave a link down to that in the description. It's basically where you pledge one to an X amount of dollars a month to help support me making my videos and getting products for reviews and unboxings and such. And I'm just kind of trying to stress this point because I'm trying to get this more across and more advertised and get more exposure to my audience. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.